If your home office, studio, or media room sounds like an echo chamber, this video is for you. Sound absorption is measured by something called the noise reduction coefficient, or NRC. It tells you what percentage of sound a material absorbs versus bounces back into the room. The higher the rating, the quieter and cleaner your space sounds. There are 4 sound absorption classes. Class D is the entry level, moderate absorption, good for basic echo reduction. Class A is the gold standard, absorbing 90% or more of sound waves. That's what recording studios, home theaters, podcast rooms, and conference spaces are built around. Barron Designs carries Slat wood acoustic wall panels by acousticMOD. They're modern, design-forward, and DIY-friendly, available in 5 finishes, including a natural wood color you can paint or stain to match your space. Installed directly on the wall with adhesive or screws, these panels deliver Class D sound absorption on their own, a 45% noise reduction coefficient. That's a meaningful upgrade for most living spaces and home offices. But if you want to reach Class A, here's how you get there. It's a 3-step process. First, secure vertical wood furring strips to your wall. This creates an air gap between the panel and the surface behind it. Second, insert 45mm mineral wool into the gaps between those strips. The mineral wool is the real acoustic workhorse here. Third, attach the slat wood panels directly over the furring strips, covering the insulation and completing the system. That layered system, panel, air gap, mineral wool, is what pushes absorption above 90%. Professional-level acoustic performance installed on a weekend without a contractor. These panels are ideal for home theaters, podcast studios, music rooms, home offices, conference rooms, and commercial spaces where sound clarity matters. And unlike traditional acoustic foam, these panels actually look good. The clean, vertical slat profile adds architectural structure to any wall, so you're not hiding your acoustic treatment behind furniture, you're making it a design feature. Explore all 5 colorways and order samples at barrondesigns.com.